Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make ramen-type Maggi. We will transform ordinary instant noodles into a delightful, restaurant-quality dish. This guide will walk you through each step, from selecting your ingredients to the final delicious presentation. You'll learn simple yet effective techniques to elevate your meal, making it incredibly flavorful and satisfying. Get ready to impress yourself and others with your newfound culinary skills, turning a quick snack into a truly special experience. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need 1 packet of Maggi noodles and its included seasoning sachet. For fresh additions, prepare about 1/4 cup of finely chopped carrots and an equal amount of green peas. Don't forget 1 large egg, 1 tablespoon of rich soy sauce, and a small dash of aromatic sesame oil. These simple components will form the foundation of your delicious ramen-style Maggi. Now let's cook. Bring 2 cups of water to a rolling boil in a small saucepan. Carefully add your Maggi noodles and the prepared vegetables, letting them cook together for about 2 minutes. Next, stir in the Maggi seasoning sachet and your 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Gently crack 1 egg directly into the simmering broth. Continue cooking for just 1 more minute, allowing the egg to set slightly and the noodles to become perfectly tender. To finish, drizzle a few drops of fragrant sesame oil over your ramen-style Maggi for an extra layer of aroma. Garnish generously with fresh chopped spring onions or cilantro to add a vibrant touch of color and freshness. For those seeking more substance, consider adding cooked chicken, pan-fried tofu, or sautéed mushrooms. Serve your delicious creation immediately in a warm bowl, ensuring you savor every flavorful spoonful while it's hot and comforting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.